Hello everyone, this module gives you an idea of installing, downloading and installing the VMware workstation. Once you receive email from the department, then there is a link. So if you click this, then it goes to here. Then you can click students. I click faculty. Of course, you have to accept this button, and then if you do this students and then you don't need to do that any, but here VMware, if you type VMware, then click the search, then it'll give you a list of the VMware. So you click one of those um, and then download it. Once you download, when you download it, there is a the license key and expirations. That license key needs to be used when you install. So this is a downloaded. If you click this and install it, then it goes here, right? Um, it asks you to enter the key, license key. Make sure that you receive that license key, and and then install it. All right. This is very simple. After you do that, then I'll double click this. All right. And then there is a this is a home, and you can create a new virtual machine, or you can open up the already installed virtual machine. So let me go ahead to create a new virtual machine. Click next, and then you have to download the Kelly that I downloaded already here in this Kelly. So I'm going to include that. So click the browse, go there, and this is the image ISO version. So I open it, and then click on next and next. Here you can say because this is Kelly, uh, Kali Linux 20 20s, whatever you want to say. And then next, the maximum disk space. This is a storage space. If you want to work on much, then you can increase this to 32 or 20 gigabytes, also okay. And then store virtual disk as a single file or multiple file. I want to choose a single file. In that way, if you have a multiple virtual machines, then you will have corresponding the files that you can see quite easily. And then click on next. Then make sure that you have, this is your name, location, version of workstation is this is a virtual machine. VMware version is 15x. Operating systems, this is Kelly, but Kelly was not in the list, so it looks like this. Um, and then customize hardware. Here, this is 2 gig, so you can increase it to 4 gig. Something other than that, I think it is okay. And close, and then finish. Then you will have a the Kali Linux OS. You can, of course, edit the virtual machine settings here. That what we looked at. Um, so this is the same as that. You can update it, and then you can click on the virtual machine. This is a startup to configure it. So graphical in, install. So hit enter keyboard. There's some invalid argument. Let me see, go back. Ah. So in this order it is installed. So language English, United States, American English. I think it'll take time. So let me stop here, the recording, and I'll let this installation process. So now base system is being installed. Here I didn't change any additional software packages, but default, right? So 1982 files will be retrieved. Okay, now installation is done, and this guy says install the Grove bootloader to the master boot records. Yes. Okay. And then I think this is better. Enter device manually or this device SDA. This is for installation location. All right, so let it go and wait. So finishing up will take another 20 minutes. So we'll come back. Now installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. So we need to remove the installation media. So Control Alt so that I have okay. Okay, Kelly login. Okay. So login. All right, looks like it works. So I have multiple tools available. Um, okay.